In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a column in Smartsheet. Even though Smartsheet doesn't have a one-click duplicate column button, you can still effectively recreate a column by setting up a new one with the same type and structure. I'll walk you through that process step by step so it feels as close to duplicating as possible. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet in your browser. Make sure you're on the correct sheet where the original column currently lives. You should be in grid view so you can clearly see all of your columns across the top. Next, move your mouse up to the header row where all of your column names are displayed. Find the column that you want to replicate. We're going to start by creating a new column that will act like a copy of this one. Click on the area in the column header where Smartsheet lets you insert or manage columns. This is usually done by either clicking the small drop-down arrow in the column header or right-clicking directly on the column name. When you see the menu appear, look for the option that lets you insert a new column. Choose the option that makes the most sense for where you want the duplicate to appear, for example, inserting a new column to the right of your original. Once the new column is created, a settings panel or dialog will appear where you can choose the column type. Here, click on the column type that matches your original column. In this example, we'll select text number. This type is very flexible, and it's commonly used when you're duplicating simple data like names, descriptions, IDs, or notes. After selecting the correct type, click on Apply to confirm your choice. This step is important because it locks in how the column will behave, including how data is stored and formatted. At this point, you have a blank column with the same type as your original, ready for you to copy data or formulas into. Now, one key limitation to be aware of: Smartsheet does not allow duplicate column titles. That means you can't give the new column exactly the same header name as the original. Instead, choose a similar name that makes it clear they're related, such as adding copy, V2, or another short label to the end of the title. This keeps your sheet organized while still signaling that the new column is effectively a duplicate in structure. And that's the process for duplicating a column in Smartsheet by recreating it with the same type and a new, clearly related header.